Hello, firefighters! If you just make your way behind that yellow line for me, giving me your very best firefighter poses. I need to know you're up for the job. Let's have a look. Show us your muscles, guys. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Number one. Come on, guys. Show us your poses. There we go. All right. In a moment, I'm going to open these gates. You're going to enter the trucks on the right-hand side. Once inside, you're going to see a black lever. You're going to push that lever in the direction you want the truck to go. Once inside, and in gear, you're going to pump, pump, pump all the way to Lego City. Once at Lego City, you're going to jump out of your fire truck. You're going to jump onto the hoses, where again, you're going to pump, pump, pump until the fire is out. Once you hear the siren, that's it. Game on. It's time to get back in those fire trucks and make your way back to the depot as quickly as possible. Leaving no big or no little firefighters behind. Please be mindful that these trucks do stop on some rather large rubber stoppers. So the harder you pump, the harder you bump. So please be mindful at both ends of the platform. Alright guys, and one last thing. Please stay inside your fire trucks until everyone is back. We really don't like the victory dance being mowed over by a flying fire truck trying to make its way for second. Alright then guys, are we ready? Oh, you can do much better than that. I know it's Monday. Are we ready? Alright, I'm feeling a little love now. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, let's go guys! And make sure it's in gear, my lovely, which is the big black lever, and pull it all the way towards you. Go. Now he's cooking. Remember the race is on the way back. Don't use all your muscles on the way there.
Just giving you a hand.
And once you make it, jump out of those fire trucks and jump onto those hoses. That's it guys, keep pumping, let's do more road meters. And in for the flames guys, doing CS number 4. Alright guys, there goes the siren, it is time to get back in those trucks and make your way back to the depot. Please remember every little firefighter. Kittikoko number 1, number 2 is just overtaking us slightly. Well done, watch that bump number 2, watch that bump number 1, almost there. Well done, stay inside your truck, Tommy darling. Stay inside your truck till everybody's back. And number 3, can you just pop it in neutral for me because it has a tendency to roll back? Thank you, perfect. Perfect fire truck parking there. Well done guys, if you just pop outside your trucks now and make your way to the exit, safe in the knowledge that you have saved Lego City.